guys, welcome back to another video on Animal Jam. Now, I really never showed Animal Jam on really my YouTube account because I haven't been doing much gaming. Now, most of you fans out there do not know what Animal Jam is, but it is a very fun educational game that doesn't really melt out your brain like most games do. It also teaches you educational facts. I really like that about this game. I think AJHQ, the people who made Animal Jam, should keep producing this nice game. It's a very nice, generous game. And the people who made it didn't make it to get money. They literally just made it so kids could learn about animals around the world. Now guys, since this is a gaming video, I'm not going to be outside, obviously, like in my catch-up videos, because I just like being outside during my catch-up videos. Today is not a catch-up video. We are inside in my gaming area. So yeah, sometimes I am not in my gaming area, but who really cares? So yeah, let's just jump right into this and play. Okay. Is it working yet? There we go. Okay. I've actually not played this in a very long time. It's very fun though. Very, very fun. Now you have something like a den and you just click this little icon to go to your den. And it's basically your house. And you can basically decorate it with whatever you want if you buy it from the store. So yeah. When I started a long time ago, I was pretty much homeless. I had a really terrible house. And then you can work your way up by first, you can't really get a different house when you're a non-member. So here's the thing. Non-members, you can't really buy all the items in shop. They're kind of not trusted with member items. Now, member items have this little gold lock on it. And if you are a member, basically, the lock will unlock and you're able to buy it.
However, you have to pay for membership.
Yes, you do have to pay for membership. Isn't it like $50 a year?
I think so, but it's $5 a month.
So basically $55.
Yeah, so it's Sharbar here, which is Alex VOS's sister.
Mm-hmm.
So, we are inside of the beach house den. Do you want to show them maybe how you can switch your den?
Okay, so you go to your edit den. You go to this. I don't care. Anyway, so then you go to this little icon right there. And look, these are all the houses I have.
Well, let's go into the small house and show them how we can decorate it.
Oops. This is my ice house. I don't want this one.
Hey, would you mind if maybe I give them a little den decorating tutorial?
Maybe later.
So basically just clear your den, Alex.
Okay.
Okay, just clear your den.
Oh,
see,
right,
they have the broom at the top. Alex is pretty new to the game, unlike me. I've been playing for, I think
Actually, I've been playing for 2 years.
4 years. I've been playing for 4 years.
And I've been playing for 2 years.
So that's half of my experience. And at first, I didn't even know how to chat, and I couldn't figure that out until after I quit once. And then about a year later, I started playing again, and I still had all my old knowledge and stuff. And so I found out that you could just type in there, and then you click enter.
Yeah, like this.
Like
just
this. Say hi.
Like,
you can't type that.
I forgot.
You can't type that without free chat, which we might get. You can't type Alex either.
Yeet.
Okay, basically just here. I'm just gonna show you how you do this. So you go hi guys, like that, and you just press enter, the enter button on your keyboard,
or whatever you're playing on, because there is something called Play Wild, which is basically just a really cheap version of this, except you can play it on tablet. And it's very, very cheap. I like that they created it so you can play on tablet and stuff like that. So yeah. Honestly, I'm just gonna keep doing some gameplay right now. Maybe I will let Sharbar do a video later today and can post that on my channel.
Alex, I actually have to leave for a doctor's appointment really soon, so can I just do something with the den? Because it's empty. It doesn't.
Okay, just do something with the den. I don't really care. Sharbar has to go to a doctor's appointment.
Okay, we're just gonna expand the screen because Alex forgot to. We are so unprofessional. And okay, so this welcome mat is non-members, which means you can use it if you don't have a membership. You can't use music either if you don't have a membership. I'm just gonna shop for some real music because you don't have any real music. I like Sky High.
Why are you wasting my gems?
It's just 100 gems, Alex.
Yeah, I don't like really wasting my gems.
Okay, we're gonna make a cool little gamer hut then.
I did that in my beach house. I made a little gaming room.
Cool. So this is Charlotte's tutorial on how to make a cool den. Sharbar tutorial.
Not the whole video. Some of the video is gonna be me.
Okay, so up here we're gonna have this mechanical picture of an eagle. And that looks cool. And
also, guys, if you want me to show you guys my trophy in my next vlog, yes, I can, because I got a trophy for baseball. If you didn't know, because I actually just lost my baseball season. I could continue if I won that game. The other team, it was a really close game. It was, I think, 8-7.
Oh, they're having another one of these. Okay, Alex, what you want to do here is that you want to definitely get all of these. You want to get multiple copies because at one point we're gonna vote. Animal Jim's gonna see who bought the most of one item, and they're going to make one of these items rare. So all the Sabertooth things might be rare, or all the Direwolf things might be rare. They did something like this with the Mira and Zeos things. Like,
okay, but I don't have enough gems to buy everything.
Right, but I'm gonna buy like one thing for you. Okay,
it can't be too expensive.
Alex,
it can't be 950 gems. I'm so sorry.
God,
I just don't want to waste a bunch of money. Okay,
fine, just calm down, buddy. Okay,
I don't, because I have very little money right now. I'm very poor because I haven't been playing many.
Wait a minute, let's see how much diamonds you have. Oh, you don't have any diamonds.
Yes, I do.
Well, you have 19, but that's really not a lot. So we're just gonna give we're gonna put your little pet raccoons over here. Oh wait, actually this would look better right here. Oh yeah, that looks better.
Yeah, that looks way better.
Okay, and that looks like a.
Oh guys, want to see a little cool trick? It's a magic trick. Watch this.
Alex, do you have to X out of the thing? Oh my god, you are so newbie.
Yeah, I forgot. Bunner.
Oh god, that looks so. Alex, Allie, I remember this is my section of the video. Either way, so. Okay, what?
We also need to check how much time we've captured, because I'm using a different editing platform than iMovie on the laptop. It's called Screencast-O-Matics. I'm not using iMovie this time, and I've never really used iMovie for my gaming videos. I have no freaking idea why.
That looks horrible. That looks super weird.
Anyway.
Oh, Alex, did you make this?
Yeah.
Is this like a cat crying?
Yeah.
Oh god, that looks simply horrible.
That's horrible. I made that a long time ago when I was like super newbie.
Okay.
Like about a year ago when I just got my membership.
Then we are going to use that. And, ooh, that looks like a cool little greeting. Oh no, that looks super girly. So, yeah, I love those. That looks,
I collect them.
That looks nice and manly. Because Alex is. Oh, we can get rid of this disgusting pink one that looks super girly and replace it with a manly blue raccoon.
I mean, purple.
Okay.
The portal will go out there.
Yeah, and is there a friend that you like really like?
I know who will connect.
Alex, I know. You have to.
I want to connect to Guppy987.
You mean Wind Dream? That's my new username.
Yeah, that's my sister.
Oh god, this stinks. You don't have like anybody.
Okay, I'll just connect to random guy.
Alex, no. Just give me a little.
not a new jammer. Sorry,
Alex. I'm not going to connect you to some new jammer. I'm a monster. I'll just connect you to Giancarlo.
One time they gave a rare to a new jammer because I felt bad for them. But I'm sure they had tons of rares because people traded them.
Okay, I'm going to just.
I actually love.
I'll connect you to Giancarlo. I'll connect you to him, and I'll put your little portal out there. And
I want to see what Giancarlo is.
Ooh, and that looks cool there. And we'll just get a blue rug because blue rugs look amazing. Like with some things on top of them, they'll look good. And we'll see if. Ooh,
I love that lamp.
We're gonna see what it does. You have to press this little thing specifically.
I know that little green dot.
Look,
Guys, comment down below if you guys or any of your family plays Animal Jam. Because it is a very fun game. And if you don't, just hop on Animal Jam. It is a free-to-play game unless one of you a member, which is $55.
Listen, I'm going to warn you. Do you guys notice how much stuff is in here for only members? Like, look, member. No, what
the heck?
Alex was drawing on my drawings. I'm like a really good artist because I drew all of this channel artwork. If that's how you repay me, take it. You jerk butt. Oh, whatever. Ah, darn it. I just deleted that couch. Let me find it again. Oh my gosh, you are
guys,
so
we are
poor.
sorry about that little sliver of content.
Yeah, we're not.
A jerk butt.
I'm not sorry because, like.
Oh, laptop. There's a
laptop. Okay, we'll just sprinkle everything that's.
No, don't buy the laptop. It's 400 gems.
Alex, I can just go and buy gems for you. Look, you can do this thing in J-Mart clothing.
Oh,
I mean, like in the diamond shop, where you can actually just buy these. See?
Oh, how much gems is that?
It's 5,000 gems.
Woo!
And that looks better over
I just got 5,000. I need 5,000 gems. Good job, Charlotte. Guys, honestly, even though Animal Jam does some weird and sometimes bad things, Animal Jam overall is a very fun game to play. I recommend it for like ages, I don't know, 6 and up, because I started playing when I was 6. I think right when I turned 7. Yeah,
so Alex,
right
do you like Sabertooths or direwolves? Sabertooth, direwolf.
I don't really want to buy any of that stuff because it's really, really expensive.
Yeah, but you have 6,240 gems. And they're not any more expensive than that laptop.
Let's just get the laptop.
Okay, I really like that.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get 2 because, like, in a perfect world, we could have 2 laptops. And we're going to look for maybe like I know that they have tablets somewhere in here.
We have a TV system.
I know, but we don't really need that.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we do have 2
I wonder if you bought a tablet. Okay, so we have one in Alex's room, one in the living
But
room.
let's not